Adding a Google +1 button to your website. The Google +1 button is a good idea to add to your website because it allows your site to be shared on the Google Plus network. Some professional search engine optimizers believe that Google also uses +1 responses in their rankings, which would make it very important for your business. On the Google +1 code generation page, it seems fairly easy to set up. The bad news is there are a lot of options to choose from, and many of them affect how the button lays out on the page. Let's walk through the options so that you can pick the one that's right for you. Your first choice is your size. Standard, which is 24 pixels, will work in most situations. Above the size radio buttons, you will see a sample of what the Google Plus button will look like. Below the size callout is an annotation pull-down menu. The three choices in annotation are Bubble, which is a box that shows the number of people who Google Plus the page, Inline, which adds a text callout of the number of +1s, and None, which leaves off the number of people who have given the page a +1. The language defaults to the native language of the country you are accessing Google from. There is an advanced option setting that you will probably not need. If you would like to find details on the choices there, then take a look at the technical page for the +1 button located here. The main thing to look for in the advanced choices area is that asynchronous is checked, which is selected by default because it keeps your page from being slowed down by the button downloading to your browser. Unlike many other pages that generate code for you, the Google Plus code appears below your customization choices. Copy this code and paste it somewhere safe. We will use it in a few minutes to add a Google Plus button to your website. Next is a customizable Plus snippets box. This allows you to set custom code for each page that has a Google Plus button. Obviously, creating a custom box for every page of your website would be a lot of work. The good news here is that the Google Plus box can also use the title and description tags on each page if no snippets code is included. That means that all you have to do is make sure you have titles and descriptions on all of your pages, which you should do anyway, to optimize your Google Plus information. Now let's move on to adding the Google Plus button to your website using the code you copied previously. The code is broken into two parts. The first part goes wherever you want the code button to appear on your page. The second part needs to be added to the code of the page. You can choose to add the script anywhere in the code, but if you're using a content management system, you should load it into the code for the template. For a few minutes of your time, you can add social media sharing on both Google Plus and Google Search to your website. Thank you for watching this video. Be sure to stop by our site to pick up the checklist for the video, which includes more information and resources.